Hi friends, today in this video I will tell you how we can make pure aloe vera juice in home and how many days we have to consume it for a better result. Choose thick and fresh aloe vera leaf and wash it properly and then remove its yellow area and both sides. Aloe vera gel is greasy, so while cutting it into small pieces, cut it very carefully. We are making this juice to intake, so make sure there is no green part present in this jelly. Some people consume aloe vera juice in a raw form, but I will advise you to cook for its shelf-long life. We can refrigerate this for 12 to 15 days. We will cut aloe vera jelly into a small pieces because it is difficult to blend it in mixie. After removing the green part, wash jelly properly. We can use this water to wash our hair. This greasy water is a good conditioner. Now I am refrigerating these pieces for a face pack. Aloe vera gel is a good sunscreen. It has a great moisturizing property, so it is beneficial for skin. This natural moisturizer maintains the skin hydrated and enhances its elasticity. Why we have to drink aloe vera juice? To make our immune system strong. For diabetes patient, it controls sugar level. Diabetes patient should take this juice half cup in empty stomach for 2 months regularly. LDL level will increase to fight against bad cholesterol. It is good for digestive system, help us to get high metabolic rate and make our body slim. It is very good for those who want to reduce weight. It balances our body's pH level so that kidney and liver will be in a good condition for a long period. Now we will cook the juice. Measure the raw aloe vera juice and add just double amount of water. Now cook it in a low flame. You need to have some patience. If you cook in a high flame, its micronutrient value may damage. Let it cook in a very low flame for 10 minutes. After cooling it, transfer it in a glass container. We need to use only glass jar to protect it from any type of chemical reaction. Juice is a semi-transparent texture. Aloe vera juice is ready now. Keep in refrigerator. This will last approx 12 to 15 days. Next is for face pack. And hair conditioner. Extract half cup of aloe vera juice. Add 2 vitamin E capsules. Vitamin E capsules are easily available in all medical shops. Mix it well and transfer the gel in a glass container. This will last approx 2 to 3 weeks. Keep it in refrigerator. Mix it with shampoo or apply directly on scalp. Apply on face as face pack. Leave it for 30 minutes. Then rinse it with water. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.